My role on Unity 22 was to test the human-tended capability of our spaceship vehicles. The payload I carried was created by the University of Florida. The researchers there are experts in their fields, and they created an incredibly interesting experiment to look at plants and their reaction to the space environment. They're looking at this information to not only develop plants for astronauts taking further and further trips into space, to Mars, to the moon, so they have fresh food to eat, but also how we can create plants that better adapt to harsher climates here on Earth and provide food security for people feeling the effects of climate change. So I took up 3 samples of plants that were genetically modified to react to the environment that they were exposed to. I had them in a bag on my leg, so if you see the video of the spaceflight and you see the white bag on my leg, they were housing the plants and the tubes. So during the flight, I took 3 plants and preserved them during different phases of the flight. During 1G, which is the climb, during high G, right after the rocket motor boost, and during microgravity, which is the portion of the flight where we're all floating and we feel weightlessness. So afterward, the samples then were taken to the lab, and we were able to see how the plants reacted to these environments that they're not typically used to being in. They're working on publishing the results, so stay tuned. Having gone to space and having conducted human-tended research, I'm so lucky to be able to sit with our researchers and guide their mission and their objectives. I love the work that all of our researchers are doing. It's a wide spectrum, and I'm able to guide them and create a successful mission.